I'm still a bit confused, but I'm glad to have Paula.
We will all knew her at some point, so don't worry, we'll definitely support each other.
That's right. If you need help with index or company process, don't hesitate to reach out.
Thank you so much, Nanda. Rizka and Tasya. I feel much more at ease now.
I'm happy we could assist you, Willie. I hope you still gratefully here.
We are here to support you. I hope you enjoy working with us.
Thank you so much, Nanda, Rizka, and Tasya. I feel much more ease now.
You're welcome.
Beneran.